Hi, I'm Chip with Peach Plumbing and Drain. Be careful with your kitchen garbage disposal as well. Bones and fruit pits are too hard, celery stalks, artichoke leaves, and corn husk are too stringy. Oatmeal, pasta, and rice are so starchy they clog up the machine, and tossing non-food items like plastic, metal, or used sponges is simply a bad idea. The disposal is equipped to handle small amounts of food left on the dinner, dishes, or mixing bowls. The rest should go in the trash can, or better yet, the compost pile. For any of your plumbing needs, give Peach Plumbing and Drain a call today. We're happy to help.